Move, dog. Jeez.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 5 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Durand, or 13 miles west of Rockton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe, South Beloit, Brockton, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Pecatonica, Durand, Shilland, Lake Somerset, and Harrison. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Well, there's Rockford.